Hello, my name is Kiana Pompa, Product Manager for Sony's Professional Displays. We're here at CEDIA showcasing our device provisioning tool, which is a completely free solution that allows you to create a custom profile to make it easier than ever to configure your Sony professional displays. This is going to save you time and money at installation, knowing that your display is configured correctly every single time. So once you configure this area with basic settings, pro settings, you can even pre-install applications like digital signage. And once it's pre-installed, everything's configured, you can assign it to your device. And everything starts at the device level. Our packaging has a custom QR code here that gives you the MAC address. This is how we're going to register the display. It's a very simple tool. It's web-based, so you scan with your scanner with your phone. Once you scan it, it registers it on our platform. And essentially, this kind of gives you a simulation of once you register, create, and assign the profile. When you unpack the display, power it on, and it has a wired or wireless connection, you can begin the provisioning process. So once you unpack, you'll see kind of like this language screen. QR code will populate. You'll again use your phone to begin provisioning. You scan that QR code, give you a simulation of the provisioning process. It takes around 10 minutes to provision. So it'll basically go and loop through. Right now we cater a custom profile for digital signage, so it will pre-install that signage player and then it will automatically launch. So this is a free version. The upgraded version is our device management platform, so you get everything you just saw, but once you are done provisioning, now you can control and manage from the cloud. So you'll see here, this is one of the devices we have in the booth. It gives you all the telemetry. You can update packages, update your firmware, take screenshots, troubleshoot, and it will even send you alerts if anything happens to your display. So for more information, visit sony.pro.